just before Jesus left, he said to his followers, I am going to leave my peace, my shalom peace with you. It's not going to be the same kind of peace you get in the world. Divine shalom. And that word means full and complete, to the point where there is nothing missing and nothing broken in any aspect of your life. So that's our focus on this channel, to provide a safe place and space for God to fulfill that in our lives. We are after not just the physical sensations, sensory sensations, but to allow the Holy Spirit to go deeper into the secret and deep recesses of our souls, right? Our minds and our emotions, as well as lifting us and our spirits to a higher place in Him. How exactly is all of this going to happen, and what is it going to look like and be like? I don't know. It's going to be an adventure that I don't even know if I'm ready for, but I'm here for it. However it's going to unfold, I'm here for it. And I hope you are too. I hope you come along with me for the ride. So until next time, this is Renata Jamel saying to you, Shalom, Shalom.